Hello students, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So today we are going to learn a new chapter. The name is Let Us Type. Let us type. Here we are going to learn about how to type in our computer. How to type. Type means how, like in our notebook we can write using a pen or a pencil. We can write our notes, we can write our names, etc. using a pen or a pencil. Right? Similarly, in our computer, there is a device used for typing. So, can you tell me what is that device? Keyboard. Yes, that is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. What is it? Keyboard. What is this? Keyboard. So, keyboard is a device. Which type of device? That is input device. Which type of device? Input device. So this keyboard is used for typing letters. This keyboard is used for typing letters. So let's get started our new episode. First, we have seen keyboard, right? Yes. So what is the main features of a keyboard? A keyboard consists of many keys. K-E-Y-S. Keyboard consists of keys. Keyboard. It consists of different keys. What type of keys? Number key, alphabet key, symbols. So what are the keys present in a keyboard? Numbers, symbols, alphabets. Numbers, symbols, alphabets. So the first question is, what are the keys present in a keyboard? What are the keys present in a keyboard? So look here. First, number key. N U M B E R. Number. N U M B E R. Number key. So what is the first type of key? Number key. N U M B E R. Number key. K E Y. So number key. Second is alphabet key. A L P H A B E T. Alphabet key. So first is number key. Second one, alphabet key. Number key, alphabet key. How it spells? Alphabet. Alphabet key. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet key. And next is symbols are printed on the key. Symbols. S Y M B O L S. S Y M B O L S. S Y M B O L S. Symbols. So look here. What are the keys present in a keyboard? Number key, alphabet key and symbols. Number keys, alphabets, symbols. Okay. So, have you understand this? Yes. So let's move to next topic. Yes, that is cursor. So next topic is cursor. In the typing window, blinking line. Cursor is a blinking line in the typing window. What is a cursor? Cursor is a blinking line or blinking marker in the typing window. Cursor is a blinking line or blinking marker in the typing window. So look here, when we write using our keyboard, there is a blinking line. So that is known as cursor. What is its name? Cursor. So C-U-R-S-O-R. C-U-R-S-O-R. So that is known as cursor. Then after that we can type a board. For example, computer. So cursor is a small blinking marker in the typing window. Then it points to the position where the typed character will come. Next is, there are some typing programs in our keyboard. There are some typing programs like Word, Notepad, etc. WordPad, Notepad, MS Word, etc. as the some of the applications to write the notes in using keyboard into the computer. So programs to type. Programs to type. What are they? Notepad. N-O-T-E-D. Sorry, N-O-T-E-P-A-D. Notepad. N-O-T-E-P-A-D. Notepad. WordPad. W-O-R-D. Word. P-A-D. Pad. WordPad. MS Word. M-S-W-O-R-D. Word. MS Word. So these are the some of the programs to type the notes or the content into the computer through our keyboard. So first question, what is the input device used to type? What is the input device? It's keyboard. Second question, what is the typing device? That is also keyboard. Then what are the things present in a keyboard? What are the things? Numbers, alphabets and symbols. So have you clear these three things? Yes. Next, what is cursor? Cursor means it's a blinking line or the marker in the typing window. Cursor is a blinking line or marker in the typing window. Cursor is a blinking line or blinking marker in the typing window. Then next one, what are the programs which is used to type? MS Word, WordPad, Notepad. And these programs are called word processors. Word processors. Word processors. Okay, understood? Yes. So let's move to next topic. Various keys on the keyboard. So now we can explain each of the keys in detail. So first one is, a keyboard consists of many type of keys. First one is, so the heading is various keys on the keyboard. Various keys on the keyboard. Various keys on the keyboard. So what are the various keys? Yes. First one, alphabet key. So look here, the spelling is A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet keys. K-E-Y-S alphabet key. So you have already learned about alphabets like A, B, C, D, etc. So here we use the keyboard QWERTY or Q, W, E, R, T, like keyboard. So that means in alphabet, keys are letters from A to Z. The letters from A to Z are present in alphabet keys. So what is the first key? Alphabet key. Right? Okay. And the second one is number key. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number keys. K-E-Y. Yes. So numbers means count the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Right? So 1, 2, 3, etc. The numbers are present in number keys. The second type of key is what? Number key. First type, alphabet key. Second one is number key. And the third is cursor control key. What is the third type of key? Cursor. Cursor means we know there is a blinking marker in the typing window. And next is cursor window key. Cursor, C-U-R-S-O-R, cursor. Control, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, control key. So cursor control keys are up, down, right, left. Up arrow, down arrow, right, left. Up, down, right, left. Up, down, right, left. So look here, page number 49. So look at the picture which is shown below. Here is the keyboard. And first one is number key. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So how many numbers? 10 numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 0 to 9, 10 numbers are present in number key. So these keys is known as, what is its name? Number keys. Or we can say it is numeric key. We can say what it is? Numeric key. N-U-M-E-R-I-C. Number key or numeric key. Numeric key means which is related to numbers. So that is known as number keys. Then, so let's look at here. A, S, D, F, G, H, etc. Different types of letters are placed in the left side of the keyboard. That is alphabet key. What is that key? Alphabet key. So alphabet keys have the letters from A to Z. The next is cursor control key. So here we can see 4 arrows. An up arrow. So this is up arrow. Then down arrow. Then right arrow, then left arrow. How many cursor control keys? 4 types. What are they? Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Then next is some more useful keys. And before that, let me explain each of the keys. First, alphabet key. Alphabet keys have A to Z letters. Numeric key means the numbers from 0 to 9 printed on them. Also, exclamatory mark, dollar symbol, star symbol, inverted comma, etc. on the placed at the upper half of the keys. Then, cursor control key used to move the cursor. So 4 arrow keys, up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Then next is another types of key, that is caps lock key. So what is the next key? Caps lock key. Caps lock key. C-A-P-S, caps, L-O-C-K, L-O-C-K, caps lock key, K-E-Y, caps lock key. There are 2 states, caps lock key is on state and off state. If this key is on, then you can write the letters in capital letters. When the caps lock key is on, when the caps lock key is on state, then you can write the letters in capital letters. Otherwise, you can write the letters in small letters. When the caps lock key is on means you can see a light which is shown at the key. So that is caps lock key is on. So when it's time, you can write the letters in capital. Then if the caps lock key is off, then you can write in small letters. Yes. So press the caps lock key, then caps lock light will show on the upper right corner on your keyboard. Then start typing the text in capital letters. So that is the caps lock key. What is its use? To write the letters in capital letter. C-A-P-S-L-O-C-K. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. S. Caps. Lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. Caps. Lock key. Then next is space bar key. Space bar key. S P A C E. Space. S P A C E. Space bar. B A R. Bar. Space bar. Space bar key. Space bar key is used to give the space when it pressed. Space bar key, what is its use? It is used to give a gap or a space between each word. So you can press the space bar key for giving a space or a gap in between the words. For example, first you write my. Then if you want to give a space, just press the space bar key. And there is a gap or a space which appears in the right side of the word my, and then the blinking line of cursor will be placed here. Then you can write another word name, N-A-M-E. So what is the use of a space bar key? To give a space or a gap in between the words. So you can just press the space bar key. And one more thing, it is the longest key at the bottom of the keyboard. So what is its mean, speciality? It is the longest key. Longest, L-O-N-G-E-S-T, longest key in the keyboard, on the bottom of the keyboard, longest key. So type a word, press the space bar key, the space will be given. So here, look, I like computer. So I giving a space here, then like, then another space or gap, then computer. So I like computers. Next key is enter key. Next key is what? Enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. E-N-T-E-R. Enter key. What is the use of enter key? To make a new line. To make a new line. Or to move the cursor into new line. So you can use which key? Enter key. The enter key when pressed while typing will send the cursor to new line. For example, I am. So just press the enter key. So what happens? The cursor will move to next line. I am, you are. So what is the use of an enter key? While we typing, if you want to move the cursor to the next line, then just press enter. The next is fourth one, backspace key. How to spell backspace key? B, then A, next C, then K. So backspace. Yes. P A C E, backspace key. K E Y, backspace key. What is its name? Backspace key. How it spells? Backspace key. So this is a key. It looks like an eraser. Its uses like an eraser. Eraser means to erase the part, to erase the letter. You know, we all know eraser. To remove the mistakes, right? To remove the unwanted part. So similarly, the backspace key means its use is just like an eraser. whenever you type something wrong, so it erases. Backspace key erases the missing or wrong statements or wrong letters. So to erase the letters, you can use backspace key. Then to use the backspace key, there are some steps. First of all, bring the cursor after the character which you want to see. So just click on the place where you want to erase, and the second one is press the backspace key. So the letter will be removed at the right side, so left side of the cursor. So here So if you want to remove U from this, just click on the cursor here and then press which key? Backspace key. So it will be removed from here. So the final result is so once again, what are the things in this chapter? At first, what is the typing device? What is the typing device here? Keyboard. Keyboard helps you to type on the screen to as a pencil helps to write on paper. So first is what type of typing device is used here? What is the typing device used? What is the typing device? T-Y-P-I-N-G. Typing device. D-E-V-I-C-E. So answer is K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. Then second question. What are the keys present in a keyboard? What are the keys present? P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present. What are the keys? First, numeric key or alphabetic key. N U M E R I C. Numeric key. A-E-Y. Numeric key. Second one is alphabet key. A-L-P-H-A-B-E-T. Alphabet key. Then next, cursor control key. Cursor spelling C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor control. C-O-N-T-R-O-L. Control. Then key. K-E-Y. Cursor control key. So numeric key means numbers from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Alphabetic key, letters from A to Z. Then cursor control key, to move the cursor in up direction, down direction, left direction, right direction. So here up, down, left, right. So here UP up, DOWN down, LEFT left, RIGHT right. Then another key is caps lock key. Caps lock key C A P S caps lock 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 key. The next is space bar key SPACE space BAR bar, then key KEY space bar key. The next is enter key ENTER enter. Then backspace key BACK back SPACE backspace key. So these are the important keys present in the keyboard. Then quick practice. First, to type the word computer is fun. So what are the things or what are the steps to do this word computer is fun? So first step is turn the caps lock on and type computer. Then third step, press the space bar key. Then type please. Then press the space bar key. Turn the caps lock off and then type fun. So second question, to type pen and pencil and okay. So turn the caps lock on and then you can write PEN pen. Then second to press the enter key. Then the cursor will placed at the next line. So just enter and then next again press the enter key. Then you can write the pencil. Then how to change COMPDP to COMPUTER. So bring the cursor to the last place and then delete the portion. Then you can enter computer. So let's go to the worksheet. Worksheet number 1. Help Mohit color the alphabets in red, numbers in blue, signs in green in the box below. So you have to, this is Mohit and you have to help him to color the alphabets. So what are the alphabets here? In red color. So H is an alphabet, E is another alphabet, then B, then next F, then next K, then Z, M, then L, O, then W. So these are the alphabets present in this box. So color each alphabets in red color, right? Color each of the alphabets in which color? Red color. Then next numbers in blue. So here what are the numbers? 5, 8, 2, then 3, then again 5, 4, 6, 1, 9, 0. So numbers in blue color. Then you have to color the numbers in which color? Blue color. So alphabets in red color, numbers in blue color. The next signs in green color. So what are the signs? Ampersand or and sign, then dollar symbol, then next @ symbol, star symbol, exponential or power or raised to symbol, exclamatory mark, percentage symbol, then curly bracket, open curly bracket, heart symbol, closed curly bracket. So these are the symbols present in the box. Then you have to color each of the symbols in which color? Green color. Okay. Then worksheet number 2. Somebody has taken out a few keys of Sunny's keyboard. Somebody has taken out a few keys of Sunny's keyboard. So here are some keys, but somebody removed it. Then draw lines from the keys to the empty places on the keyboard from where you think the keys have been taken out. So there are some empty spaces. So you can write here the correct missing keys into this place. So let's do it. At first, one is here, 2 is also here, 3, 4. Then there is a missing letter. What is that? Number 5. So just write 5 in here. Then 6, 7, 8. The next 9. So you have to draw a line from the keys to the empty places and then write 5, 9. Right? Okay. The next step. At the end of the numbers, you can see which is the key present at the end. That is arrow key. Arrow. So just write here arrow. Then next step, and below that enter key. Enter key. Enter key. Then next step, left side of A, caps lock key. Then after F, that is G. F, G, J, K, L. Then last longest keyboard key in the keyboard, that is space bar key. Space bar key. Then below the enter key you can see shift. Shift. Then how many arrows? 4 arrows. So there is one arrow is missing. Top arrow or up arrow is here. Right arrow, left arrow, then there is a down arrow. So we complete the symbols and place it into the appropriate places. That is, you can just mark space bar here, G here, and then shift here, then lion, then 5, then arrow, then here right arrow or backspace, then caps lock key, then enter key, then L. Then moving to next question, worksheet number 3. Help Ishi to join the text description written on the paper with the correct. Also write down the name of keys below it. First, next line. So if you want to move to next line, you can press which key is this or not. So the last one is correct, that is enter key. So just press the enter key to move the next line. So just draw a line to this box and also write down the name here. So this is enter key. And the second one, erasing means here is the backspace key. Spaces in sentence, space bar key. Moving the cursor, arrow key. So look here, worksheet number 3. Worksheet number 3. First question, this is the symbol of backspace key. So B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-E, backspace key. Then, and it erasing, and its function is erasing. space bar key. S-P-A-C-B-A-R, space bar. And what is its function? Spaces in sentences. Spaces in sentences. So draw a line to that sentence. And third one is arrow keys to move the cursor. Move the arrow keys, or we can say cursor control key. Cursor control keys. And its function is moving cursor. Moving cursor. And the last one is enter key. That is next line. Yes. So worksheet number 4. Tarini has written some sentences about the keys on the keyboard. Take out the correct ones and cross the wrong ones. So first question, I am the space bar key, I erase. So can you tell me whether it is not or whether it is true or false? So first question, what is that? I am the space bar key. So what is my function? To make the spaces between the sentences. So see, is it correct or no? It's false. That means it does not erase the statement. So put a cross mark on this box. Then moving to second question, I am an enter key. When I press, I move the cursor to next line. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. So put a tick mark on this box. And the third question, I am the backspace key, I erase. So is it true or false? Yes, it's true. So you can erase the backspace using the backspace key. So put a tick mark on the third box. And the fourth question, I am caps lock key. When on, I type in small letters. So is it true or false? When the caps lock key is on, it writes big letters or capital letters. So it's false. So put a cross mark on this box. So first cross and fourth one is also cross mark. Then fifth one, and the cursor control key, I move the cursor. So and the cursor control key, so I can move the cursor. So it's true. So put a tick mark on the box. That is number 5. Then 6, and a numeric key. When I press the I type A. So when a numeric key does not show a letter, so it's wrong. So put a cross mark on the box. Then 7th one, I am an alphabet key. When I press the 1, type B. So alphabet key. When I press the I type B, so it's true. So we can type. You can write the letters in there. So that is true. Then there is a project work. Draw as shown below. So here is a picture of aeroplane, penguin, a snail and a butterfly. So you can draw any of the pictures from here if you have a computer. Otherwise no problem. Just draw the picture using pencil or a pen. Okay, so let's wind up this class. So study well. Thank you. Bye.